What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to review Respondent.io. Respondent.io is a research platform that connects researchers with a diverse pool of over 3 million participants worldwide. With an average incentive of $75 and over 4,000 studies launched monthly, it offers a reliable and efficient way to recruit respondents for qualitative and quantitative research. Now, let's discuss some of its key features. Quick participant access. Respondent.io enables researchers to find participants swiftly, streamlining the recruitment process. With thousands of new studies launched each month, researchers can quickly access a vast pool of potential respondents. This efficiency reduces the time spent on recruitment, allowing researchers to focus on their core tasks and accelerate their project timelines. Targeted recruitment. The platform offers precise targeting options to ensure researchers connect with the most relevant participants for their studies. By utilizing filters based on demographics, interests, and professional backgrounds, researchers can create a tailored participant profile. This targeted approach enhances the quality of insights gathered, leading to more meaningful results and improved research outcomes. Paid research opportunities. Participants can sign up for paid research studies through Respondent.io, providing them with an incentive for their time and input. This not only attracts a diverse range of respondents, but also encourages higher engagement levels during studies. By compensating participants fairly, researchers can ensure they receive valuable feedback from motivated individuals. Immediate access to participants. Respondent.io allows researchers to find the participants they need right away, minimizing delays in project timelines. With an extensive network of over 3 million participants available at their fingertips, researchers can quickly fill study quotas. This immediate access helps maintain momentum in research projects and fosters timely decision-making based on collected data. When it comes to security, Respondent.io prioritizes user protection with SOC 2 certification, GDPR and CCPA compliance, and robust access control features. Automated document signing streamlines operations, while strict data collection and deletion practices ensure privacy. Users maintain control over their accounts, reinforcing trust in the platform's security measures. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Limited personal data access. One drawback of Respondent.io is its strict policy against sharing participants' personal identifiable information. While this protects privacy, it can hinder researchers who require specific data for their studies. The inability to access detailed participant information may limit the depth and quality of insights gathered during research projects. Another concern is the possibility of participant bias. Since Respondent.io primarily attracts individuals interested in paid research opportunities, this may skew the demographic presentation. Researchers could end up with a sample that does not accurately reflect the broader population, potentially compromising the validity of their findings and conclusions. Researchers are bound by Respondent.io's stringent terms and conditions, which can be restrictive. For instance, any violation regarding data collection or participant interaction can lead to account suspension. This dependence on platform policies may frustrate researchers seeking flexibility in their methodologies, ultimately impacting their research efficiency and effectiveness. In conclusion, while Respondent.io offers valuable tools for participant recruitment and research efficiency, potential drawbacks such as limited access to personal data, participant bias, and strict platform policies should be considered. Researchers must weigh these factors against the benefits to determine if the platform aligns with their specific research needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.